Smudging on the bottom, then that's how I know it's gonna be a good primer. Well, hello everyone. Welcome back to another Get Ready with me, and today we'll be testing this new Ultimate Shadow and Liner Primer that I recently picked up from Target. Actually really excited to try this item because I've been on a hunt for a new eyeshadow primer, and if you know me, if you've been following me for a while, you already know that the Wet n Wild one is my all-time favorite go-to eyeshadow primer. And I'm telling you, this is definitely one of my staples in my makeup collection. I always have to wear this. Like, look how flat I've been. Like, I'm basically almost all done, flattened out. So I've been trying to find a new one. It's a shadow and liner primer to the test and see if it can beat my favorite go-to Wet n Wild one. And it's super affordable. Both are under $10. Let's get started. So I quickly filled in my brows, did a light coverage of CC cream, and we're gonna go straight into the eyes today. Open this, let's peel this off. Oh, it's a wand. I thought it was just gonna be a tube. Did not know it comes in a wand. Okay, it comes out clear. Doesn't seem like it has a smell.
Another lazy afternoon. The clouds covered in gray.
Okay, first impression, not bad. It's not too dry, so I have a little bit more time to blend it out.
The day almost fell asleep on Zoom.
It does feel a little moisturizing. It's not as dry as the Wet n Wild one. Yeah, for the Wet n Wild one, I feel like I always have to blend it in on the back of my hand first and really work in the products before I put it on my eyelids. But this one, you can put directly on. I feel a little tacky, which I think it'll be really nice once I put the eyeshadow on top. Like, it will really grab the eyeshadow. So we'll see. Whoa. That was pigmented. Well, first impression, it really grabbed on the eyeshadow real quick. So I'm really gonna blend in my eyeshadow. I think today I'm gonna do my eye makeup a little heavier than usual, just so we can really test out the primer. If my eyeshadow and my liner stays up all day without any smudging on the bottom, then that's how I know it's gonna be a good primer. Taking a darker shadow, and I'm gonna line my eyes.
Over the atlas, I could need that traction. Then I break her back, you know, hold her, she a cactus. Clubbing with her bad friends. So I don't want no smoke, but she gon' smoke to the max, bitch. I just walked in, motherfucker step back, James Harden. You don't want it.
And here's the complete look. And it's currently 11 a.m. right now. I'm gonna check back in a little bit tonight, probably after I make dinner. But yeah, so far so good. So tonight we're having some frozen made curry chicken. All I have to do is throw it in a pot. Garlic salt. Looking good. After dinner, I decided to take a nap, which is why my eyes are still a little puffy and red. My eyeshadow and liner, it held up pretty dang good for the entire day. Definitely has my approval. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in my next one.